The Holy Stone HS600 drone is expertly designed to comply with FAA Remote ID requirements, providing peace of mind for safe and regulation-compliant flights. Equipped with a sophisticated 2-axis gimbal and a 4K camera enhanced by a Sony sensor, this drone captures incredibly clear and stable high-definition visuals. With an impressive 10,000 feet range transmission, the HS600 allows users to explore vast areas and capture stunning aerial views effortlessly. The drone offers an exceptional flight duration of 84 minutes thanks to its 3-battery setup, allowing for extended flying sessions without power concerns. It features intelligent flight modes such as follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easy for users to transition from beginners to experts while maintaining portability. The included landing pad ensures steady takeoffs and landings, even on challenging terrain, enhancing the overall flying experience with added safety and convenience.